Right, continuing 13.5 question number 3. A cubical vessel is 10 meter long and 8 meter width. How high must it be made to hold 380 cubic meters of liquid? So remember, they have already given us a volume, right? It has to hold this much, let's say water, okay, because they said liquid, right? So how high? So you get the idea, we have to find the height of this vessel. All right, length has been given, breadth has been given to us. We'll try to find the height. Okay, like I said, they've already given us a volume because they said it has to hold 380 meter cube of liquid, right? Now the volume of a cube with the formula is what? Length into breadth into height. So length is 10, breadth is 8. I've already put the value. I'm trying to find this height, right? So now this 10 into 8 will go down to the denominator. I can divide this 0 and 0, then again 2 4s are 8, then 2 1s are 2 9s are 18, right? I'm going to get 19 by 4, which if we divide, we're going to get the height to be equal to 4.75 meter. Question number 4, find the cost of digging. So cost means what? Amount, right? Or money, okay, of digging a cubical pit 8 meter long, 6 meter broad, and then 3 meter deep. So deep means I'll get the height, right? So here you can see the dimensions has been already given to us. So per meter cube, how much? Rupees 30. Okay, so I have to find the volume, right? Because as I'm digging, I'll get the volume, right? That is the mud, right? So they said what? Rate per meter cube is how much? Rupees 30. All right, so I'll find a volume and then multiply by 30. Clear? So volume, length into breadth into height, pretty simple. Just put the values. Length is 8, breadth is 6, height is 3, right? And when you multiply, you're going to get 144 meter cube. The question says per meter cube is how much? Rupees 30. So I just have to multiply, all right? So rupees 30 into 144 meter cube. So the total amount that we'll be paying is rupees 4,320. Let's do question number 5. The capacity of a cubical tank is how much? 50,000 liters of water. Find the breadth. Okay, we also find the breadth. If it's length and depth, they've given us the length and the height. Depth means height, right? All right, so I've given a length and then height. Let the breadth be b. Okay, so they've given us a capacity, right? Capacity is how much? 50,000 liter. All right, capacity or volume, it can hold inside this cubical tank, right? So we know 1,000 liter equals 1 meter cube. So I'm going to convert this liter in terms of meter cube. Okay, so simply I just have to divide by 1,000. Clear? So when you divide, I'm going to get how much? 50 meter cube. Once we are done with that, volume is, we already know how much now. We already got it. When we divide it from how much, the volume we got is 50 meter cube, right? So now put the formula again. Length into breadth into height. So they've given us the length and the height. We also find this breadth. Okay, so once again, this 25 and 10 will go down to the denominator, right? So when you multiply 2.5 into 10, we're simply going to get 25, right? I can divide 25 to 0, and then the breadth of the thing is how much? 2 meter.